Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at HEB for the week. So I'm going to talk with you about the items that I got, which is over $75 worth of items that I got for just over $10, which is a savings of over 86%. I'm also going to share with you some other awesome deals going on over at HEB that I didn't purchase. I'll include those deals as pictures towards the end of the video. And then at the very end of the video, I'm going to share all the clearance finds that I saw while I was in the store shopping. So they had a ton of school supplies as well as like those college back to school items that were on clearance. So I took pictures of a lot of those things, even toys. There were a bunch of toys, especially summer toys. So stay tuned to the end of the video for all of those clearance finds as well. If you're new, welcome. So glad that you are here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. And if you want to get a notification when I post a video, click that little bell and you will be notified when a new video comes out. And I've said this before, I am trying these HEB videos to see how they go. I've had a lot of positive feedback, people saying they want these videos. So please share the video with anyone else that you think might be interested. As long as I can see that there's enough interest, I will keep doing these HEB videos for you guys. Okay, so let's talk about some of the simplest deals just based on digital coupons in the HEB app. One is a super easy freebie, these Febreze plug-in warmers. These are priced at $2.94, and there's a $3 digital coupon in your app, making it completely free. Now, there was a coupon over on coupons.com last week, I believe, for $1.75 off one of these Airwick scented oil warmers. These are only priced at $1.47. So if you have that $1.75 off coupon, the full $1.75 comes off at checkout, making this free and a 28-cent moneymaker. Hopefully they'll have deals on the actual scents that go in these and not just on the warmers. I also got one of those like special savings for you coupons of $3 off any laundry purchase. So see if you got that one in your app. If so, I grabbed these Tide Pods at $4.94, and I used that $3 laundry coupon, which made this just $1.94. Now, let's say you don't have that $3 off coupon. You should have the $2 off coupon in the app, which would make it $2.94. But hopefully you have the $3 one. They don't both attach. I was hoping they would, but you can use one or the other. But that means you could get two different laundry products if you have both coupons for an awesome price. Another easy deal is on the Poise pads this week. These are priced at $4.84. There's a $3 digital coupon, making them just $1.84. Now, there is also an offer on the Fetch Rewards app right now for spend $20 on Poise products and you're going to get $5 back. So if that's a product that you buy quite a bit, it might be a great time to stock up because you could print out additional $3 coupons from coupons.com and submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. So if you're brand new to Fetch Rewards, that's not an app that you're using, check out my tutorial because it is an awesome app that gives you tons of savings, and I walk you through step by step exactly how to use that app in my video. I can drop a link to that tutorial down in the video description box below. Okay, so another awesome deal over at HEB this week is on these Irish Spring products. Now, there are manufacturer's coupons as well as basket coupons in my app for these items. So I grabbed 3 of the 8-pack soaps. So these are priced at $3.97 each. Now there was a basket coupon for $5 off a $10 Irish Spring purchase, which is why I purchased 3 of these. There was also a $1 digital coupon in the app, and I had printed a $1 coupon off of the coupons.com website. Again, I'll link that for you in the video description box below. So I paid $4.91 for all 3 packs of these. And then I submitted my receipt one more time to the coupons.com app for $1 off any one. So I had a $1 coupon from the app. I had a $1 printable coupon, and then I submitted to coupons.com for the $1 off of this product. So that's 3 products, 3 coupons, so that is okay. But that means I paid $3.91 for all 3 packs of these, or just $1.30 each, which is a great price. Another super easy deal this week. I didn't grab it last week, although it was a deal last week as well. It's on these Vicks Drops. So these are priced at $1.08, and there is a $1 digital coupon, making this pack of cough drops just 8 cents. There were some awesome deals on Ibotta this week. So there were some Revlon makeup deals. I combined that with some clearance finds at my store for a huge moneymaker. But also just great deals on Revlon products. So right now in the Ibotta app, there is a free after rebate on the Revlon lipstick. So this lipstick was $4.97. Scan the lipstick when you're in the store and make sure you are purchasing the correct one. It will give you $5 back. You will also get $1.30 bonus on Ibotta for purchasing this at HEB. So that makes it $1.33 moneymaker on the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick. I then also grabbed the Revlon foundation. So this was on clearance at my store for $2.24, but the Ibotta app had a rebate for $5 back, making this completely free and a $2.76 moneymaker. If you're not using Ibotta yet, now is the best time to grab it because they are doing a $10 referral. When you use my referral link, you will get $10 back when you scan your first receipt. So great time to grab Ibotta if you're not using it already. I also grabbed these minute rice cups. I like these. I think they're super convenient. They're priced at $1.78 each. There is a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $3.56 for 2 of them, minus that $1 digital, $2.56 total for both, or just $1.28 each. I grabbed this one last week. I grabbed it again this week because I think it's a great deal. These Green Valley beans are $1.39, but there is a buy one, get one free coupon, which makes them just 69 cents per bag, which is a little bit cheaper than like a can of beans would cost. There were some great candy deals as well. So these Sour Punch Bites, they're $1.34 regular price. Ibotta was giving back 35 cents for purchasing this, and the Fetch Rewards app gave back 40 cents for purchasing it. So this cost me 59 cents after both rebates. There was another sour candy deal, and it was on these Airhead ropes. So these are normally priced at $1.78, but there is a digital coupon for 3 for $4. So you'll grab 3 of them. You'll pay $4 at the register. And then Ibotta is giving $1 back on each of them. So that's $3 back on Ibotta, which means you're going to pay $1 total for all 3 of them, or just 33 cents each. So great deal. And I'm sure trick-or-treaters would love to get this at Halloween, and at 33 cents, why not? Another deal I mentioned last week, and I'm going to mention it again this week because the offer is still great. It involves the Shopkick app. So if you're not yet using Shopkick, grab it using my referral code because you'll get additional kicks back when you scan your first receipt. But there's a deal on oranges and lemons and mandarins if you can find them from the country of Chile. So I looked at all the little tags at my store, and only the navel oranges came from that country. Most of the others were like Australia, South Africa. It was interesting because I had never actually looked at the country that the fruit was coming from before. But I grabbed 2 of them on different days because the Shopkick app was processing the rebate really quickly, and then it was coming back. So I paid 58 cents for this, but Shopkick gave me back 300 kicks, and 300 kicks is equivalent to $1.20, which made the orange free and a 62-cent moneymaker. So I grabbed an orange both times I was in the store for a little bit of a moneymaker and a great healthy snack. Another awesome rebate that's going on right now is on the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now, if you watched my Walmart video, I did this deal over at Walmart. I'm telling you about the deal in case you're not a Walmart shopper and you only do HEB shopping. There is a rebate on freectc.com. I'll drop that for you in the video description box below. The first 2 million boxes will get a completely free after rebate from General Mills. So this one here, the giant size was included. This is priced at $4.68. I submitted my receipt, or I would submit my receipt just like I did at Walmart, and I would get that $4.68 back as long as that rebate is still there. So again, I will drop that link for you in the video description box below. Just check it. It will have you enter your zip code. And then as long as your zip code is a participating zip code, you then upload a picture of your receipt and they send you an email almost immediately. And then that money can either go to PayPal or Venmo, I believe were the options that it gave me. So great deal if you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay, a couple more Swagbucks deals. That's another app that I use for rebates. Again, I have a full tutorial on the Swagbucks app if that's something that you're looking into using. I grabbed these frozen, the Disney frozen cheese sticks. Every time I say frozen cheese sticks, I think of in the freezer section. That would be gross. So with the cheese, grab 2 of the Disney frozen cheese sticks. They're priced at $3.29 each. So that is $6.58. Swagbucks will give you $5 back. So you get both of these for $1.58 or just 79 cents per bag. So a great price on those. As well as the Bertolli pasta sauce. Check your Swagbucks. Always check your app and make sure you have the same rebates that I do. When you buy 2 of these, Swagbucks is giving $6 back, and these are priced at $3.48 each. So that's $6.96 at the register. Get $6 back on Swagbucks, making it 96 cents for both, or just 48 cents each. So I think I hit everything that I bought at HEB this week. Again, that ended up being, it was over $75 worth of products, and I paid just over $10 for it all. So awesome deals over at HEB. Again, I will be including pictures here coming up in just a second of other awesome deals. I just didn't need it, so I didn't purchase it, but I still wanted to tell you about the deals. If you haven't checked out my Walmart video, I posted that on Wednesday. There are some great deals happening over at Walmart as well. I will also be popping on to my YouTube channel live on Friday, and I think that's tomorrow already. So join me live. I'm planning to do that at noon Central Time again. It's early release day at school, so I can't do it later this time. So noon Central Time tomorrow is when I will be popping in live. Thanks.